Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log in TradingView with Dhan. Open the Dhan app and tap the Integrations panel to start connecting. Select TradingView from the list and enter your TradingView username and password when prompted. Grant the permissions Dhan requests so charts and orders can sync smoothly. Make sure two-factor authentication settings are compatible and you allow required access during the link process. Start in the Dhan app and tap your profile or settings, then open Integrations to find TradingView. Choose TradingView and carefully type your TradingView login details, watching for uppercase letters and special characters. When Dhan asks for permissions, read each request and accept chart and order access so features work. After confirming, wait for the success message and test a simple chart sync to verify everything connected correctly. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while trading or researching ideas, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable reading anywhere and long battery life. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. I put the Kindle link and other deals in the description so you can grab one easily or compare prices. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the login fails, first restart the Dhan and TradingView apps and try again to clear temporary glitches. Confirm your two-factor authentication code is current and that you approved any permission dialogues from Dhan or TradingView. Clear app cache if available and ensure both apps are updated to the latest versions to prevent compatibility issues. If problems persist, note the error message and contact Dhan support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.